welcome back to my channel. My name is Chika. I am a Nigerian YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and a mom of three. On my channel, I share content based on homemaking, food, DIY, and lifestyle. If these are the kind of content you like, then please join my family by clicking on the subscribe button and turn on your bell notification so you get notified immediately I post a new video. I'd love to have you here. So in today's video, we are going to be talking about some tips on how to keep your house clean. Yes, some habits that you can do to keep your home clean and tidy. Now, as a mom of three, we are constantly cleaning up because when you have kids, when you clean, they'll do their own job and then you have to do it all over again. So it's always a constant thing. Cleaning is a constant thing in the home. And as a homemaker, we all want our home to be clean, to be fresh, to be very homely. So it is very important that we imbibe this habit to make cleaning very easy for us. So my first tip for today, do a load of laundry daily. Yes. Now, like I said earlier, I have three kids, and that simply means that there's always laundry to do. So as a mom, I would suggest that you try and do a load of laundry a day at least. This is to make sure that the laundry basket doesn't get so filled, like you don't have so much dirty clothes piling up. And also, I really do not like my weekends to be so choked with laundries and a lot of house chores. So within the week, I like to break it down and try as much as I can to do a laundry a day at least. A laundry a day. It could be more than that depending on how much time you have and depending on the day, but at least do a laundry a day. It goes a long way to help you relieve the stress. My second tip is to clean as you go. Now, what I mean by this is, for example, when you're cooking, while the food is steaming, you can be washing the dishes, you can be putting out the plates in their right places, you can be cleaning your pantry, cleaning the kitchen. Just make sure that you're doing something else while cooking. Now, another thing is, as you go around the house, when you see things on the floor, pick them up and put them in the right place. When you spill something or when your kids spill something, you try as much as you can to clean it up immediately, because cleaning as you go makes the work not to pile up. Okay, so when you're cooking and you're washing off, you realize that by the time you're done cooking, the kitchen is clean, at least to a good extent. You have done a good job. You're not just piling up all the dishes and leaving them. Now, another thing I'm going to say is to have a cleaning routine. Now, I'm very big on routines. I love routine a lot because it gives me some kind of order. Now, routine helps me a lot. I like to have some kind of routine. Of course, I am very flexible because it depends on the situations and things can also change. For example, my cleaning routine when I was breastfeeding and when I was pregnant and my cleaning routine now, they are all quite different. So be flexible to change. Your cleaning routine should be something that you're comfortable with as a person and as a family. It doesn't have to be the same way Mrs. A is doing hers. It doesn't have to be the same way anybody is doing theirs. You can create your own routine that suits your person and your lifestyle. Now, another point I'm going to say is to time yourself. This is like one of my best tips. One of the best. If you don't get anything from today's video, please get this one. Time yourself. It works like magic, honestly. Now, sometimes, in fact, most times, what I do, especially in the night, when you're trying to do your evening routine, because I have a morning routine and an evening routine. So when I'm trying to do the evening routine, which involves like cleaning up the kitchen and all of that, and trust me, during the evenings, you're already like tired and done for the day, but you just have to like clean up and make sure that everywhere is tidy. So what I normally do is to time myself, and I tell myself, okay, in 15 minutes, all this place is going to be clean. In 30 minutes, I'm going to do this and do that. And trust me, it works like magic. even before that 15 minutes, even before the 30 minutes, you'll be surprised at how much work you can accomplish. Like, try this. And if you do this already, please let me know in the comment section. Like, it works like magic. Sometimes I just time myself and I say, okay, I need to do this. And I give myself 1 hour, 1 hour, 30 minutes, 2 hours, depending on what I want to do. And before that time elapses, I'm almost done or I'm done with it. And then there are times when, if I am not done with it, I will still stop and rest, because your body need rest. Okay, so we cannot ignore the body. So sometimes when I see, okay, I give myself 15 minutes, and by the time it's 15 minutes, I'm like, okay, I'm done. And when you look at what you need to do, you see that you have gone a long way. Yes, you have done a lot already. So even if you come back to it, it's not going to be like starting afresh. So this is a very good tip, and I would say time yourself. Another point is to invest in cleaning products. Yeah, you need to invest in cleaning products so that your cleaning can be easy. Next tip I'm going to share is for you to declutter. Try to declutter your things as you go so it doesn't pile up. Now, declutter is one thing that makes everywhere to look disorganized. So you can try to find a way to arrange your things, find a way to organize your things, and declutter daily or declutter weekly. Now, you can declutter a space. You mustn't try and declutter the whole house. You can break it down into small parts and say, okay, today I'm focusing on the kids' shoes. Tomorrow I'm focusing on the kids' toys. Next tomorrow I'm focusing on my kitchen, or maybe your storage can. Sometimes we can pile up all those storage stuff and you're not using all of them. So you need to declutter as much as you can. This will help you to have a clean home. Now, another thing I'm going to say is to get your kids involved, get your husband involved, and delegate as much as you can. If you need to get a help, do so. If you need to get a cleaner to come and clean, then please go ahead and do that. Now, finally, I'm going to say done is better than perfect. Yeah, we are not looking for that very perfect home. We just want a happy home that is clean and tidy, filled with love, filled with joy, filled with peace. So done is better than perfect. Sometimes when you're trying to aim for perfection, you wouldn't get it done. But if you can get it done, then you know that it is done. Even if it's not perfect, it is done. Your home is clean. Your home is peaceful. Your home is tidy. If you have been watching up to this point, then that means you have been enjoying this video. Please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now will be a good time for you to click on the subscribe button and join my family. I'd love to have you here. Let me know in the comment section the tips you use. Let me know your cleaning habits. I'd love to hear from you. I'd love to learn from you. And I'll see you again in my next video. Until then, stay fabulous and stay blessed. Love you and God bless you.